So this is a topic that comes up a lot. It's very polarizing, and that's okay. Condition your locks or don't condition your locks. My stance has been consistent for the past 13 years on this platform. I am pro conditioning locks, especially if you color treat your locks. My locks have been color treated countless times. While it may look a natural color, this is not a natural color. Maybe like this much is natural. The rest is dyed black, okay? It's dyed black. I did play with brown sometime last year with a couple streaks, so you may see some other colors in there a little bit. Maybe you see some old red popping through every now and then. My hair is colored, so I will be conditioning my hair because conditioning your locks help your locks stay moisturized longer. A lot of people complain about having dry locks, brittle locks, and then they don't want to condition. Again, that's your choice, that's your prerogative, but please understand that that's what conditioner is for. Conditioner will help your hair to feel softer to the touch. It'll help it stay hydrated longer. Now, one of the main reasons why people choose not to condition their locks is because of product buildup, which is a legitimate concern. Product buildup is a thing. So I do have some tips for you to help you avoid product buildup when you are washing your locks. Make sure that your locks are shampooed thoroughly before you condition your locks. When you use conditioner, try to use a lightweight conditioner, something with a milky consistency, or something that you can dilute into a milky consistency. If you are concerned about washing out the conditioner fully, after you wash it out to the best of your ability, soak it. Soak it in a basin of water. That'll help to break up any conditioner that's stuck in your locks. Massage it well and rinse out again. And another tip to help you avoid product buildup is by using clarifying shampoos monthly. I have a good one on my shop, the Loc Detox Clarifying Shampoo. That is a mild detox shampoo, so therefore it's safe to use once a month. Again, if you are not confident with your ability to fully wash out the conditioner, then you can go ahead and do the full-on detoxes quarterly or so, as in apple cider vinegar soaks. But I am for conditioner, and I don't want to make you for a conditioner unless it will benefit you. So I do believe that it will benefit you if your hair is color treated. If your hair is not color treated, it may not be as important for you. You may be just fine with your hot oil treatments. You may be just fine with steaming your locks, and those are great options as well. And if your hair is color treated and steams work for you, hot oil treatments work for you, then that's great. That's great. I don't want you to use conditioner if you don't need to. I just wanted to be that voice out here to let you know that I support it if you use conditioner. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. And remember, the Love, Light, and Locs holiday bundle is 35% off while supplies last up until the 21st. I don't want to ship too close to Christmas. I want to give UPS and USPS a little break. My little impact could, help a little bit. You know what I mean? Thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locs.